Welcome to our assembly video. I'm going to show you how to put together this mobile 5-shelf book display with storage. To begin, we're going to place parts 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, and 11 on part 2. Then we'll place part 1 on top and begin securing everything in place with screws. Carefully flip the unit over and begin screwing in the screws on the other side. Lay the unit down on its back side and insert the backing piece part 9. Use a screwdriver to secure part 9 in place. Note that we do not recommend using an electric screwdriver. This unit comes with optional casters to make the locker mobile. Easily attach casters with 4 respective screws per caster. This unit also comes with an anti-tipping kit for added safety if you opt not to use the casters. Place the casters with breaks towards the back of the unit. Stand the unit upright and begin inserting the backs of your shelves, parts 7 and 8. Continue using a screwdriver to secure these parts in place. And this completes the assembly of your mobile 5-shelf book display with storage. This unit works great as a room divider or to keep items away from little one's reach.